Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this one that is about this one. So we need to transform this one into this one. So capital 8 that is about this one. Capital B that is about S. So we should have like this. Next, we can do about factorization by S. Similar for this one. Now we simplify S and S. Next, we can distribute the power of S for this one and this one. Next, I will put the limit going here and here. So if we look carefully, the limit of this one that is about e. The limit of this one that is about e to the power of negative number 1. So this one we can put about e to the power of 2. And now we simplify. We have like this. F and E that is about number 1. So we got number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.